There is no dependable method for becoming rich right away, and there's certainly no such thing as a lucrative machine. In any case, putting resources into Dogecoin is pretty much as close as you can get to one. Dogecoin could make financial backers super rich. In any event, when the computerized resource bounced considerably in May 2021, a few reasons show that it is serious areas of strength for and Dogecoin Doge's cost could encounter an enormous development sooner rather than later. Last May Dogecoin had a bullish run that took it to more than 70 cents, as it actually keeps on getting a charge out of help from VIPs and a vivacious web-based local area. This has got veteran and beginner financial backers finding out if the coin will make them rich, assuming they contribute now. It appears to be a great many people have gained from Bitcoin's excursion and are not able to take risks any longer. For that reason most new digital currencies are rapidly getting a move on as financial backers trust that these resources will ultimately make them rich. Dogecoin has proactively shown a great deal of likely this year. The image-based coin broke new keeps in the main portion of the year, drawing in a boatload of new financial backers who currently desire to tap on its newly discovered energy. The joke coin was at some point back pushed into the spotlight by extremely rich person Elon Musk, who nonchalantly tweeted about its true capacity. From that point forward, it has had perhaps of the most sensational development. Dogecoin coin crossed the 70 pennies mark, with its market cap playing somewhere in the range of $60 billion and $80 billion, relying upon the cost activity, in May 2021. Does this imply that the Doge will cause you rich to assuming you contribute now? Might I at any point make money investing in Dogecoin? Crypto financial backers and specialists accept that Dogecoin will increment in esteem over the long haul. This is to be sure a decent strategy that can make you cash by purchasing and holding Dogecoin. Long-haul crypto contributing or hodling, as it is in some cases known, as one of the most amazing methodologies while putting resources into Dogecoin. The thought is to purchase Doge when its cost is low, hold it, and trust that the cost will develop, so, all in all you'll change over it into cash. To limit the gamble of making a misfortune on your ventures, you really should invest the energy into acquiring information and certainty while deciding to place your cash into Dogecoin. You ought to utilize the interminable accessible internet-based assets to keep yourself informed before you contribute your capital. The more you set yourself up preceding putting resources into Dogecoin, the likelier the odds are you can benefit from your contributed capital. Where will Dogecoin be worth in 5 years? On the off chance that the ongoing bullish pattern holds, Dogecoin may be set out toward a colossal breakout in the following 5 years. To the surprise of no one, the forecasts differ, with some accepting that the bullish pattern will go on, while others figure it will drop. Wallet investor borders a piece on the bullish side and predicts that Dogecoin will in any case be valued at $1.062 by May 2025. The site alludes to soundness en route. Wallet investors' expectation of around $1.053 by May 2025 shows that Doge will remain in the $1 territory, regardless of whether going all over. Obviously, a few investigators are a piece less confident. For instance, Coin Price Forecast accepts that Dogecoin Doge will be worth more than 38 cents toward the finish of 2025 and more than 44 cents when 2026 reaches a conclusion. Long Forecast is a piece moderate and predicts that Dogecoin will exchange somewhat above 21 cents by mid-2025. Where will Dogecoin be in 10 years? Dogecoin is exceptionally speculative, and foreseeing its cost for the following decade is a tremendous bet. Everything we can manage is attempt to comprehend the reason why Dogecoin acts the manner in which it does and, all the more significantly, what drives its prosperity. As we referenced above, Dogecoin generally benefits from theory and promotion. These are most likely what will decide how much the Dogecoin will be worth in 10 years. There are 3 gatherings that are generally liable for this publicity and will be answerable for Dogecoin's drawn-out valuation. These are celebrities. Dogecoin has the consideration of probably the most high-profile big names. One of the most candid is Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who has recently caused tremendous cost spikes by basically tweeting. Online community. Dogecoin has an enormous and dynamic internet-based local area that is generally liable at its cost floods. The people group is right now attempting to push the cost of Doge to $1 before the current year's over. Memes. Doge began as an image and ended up at the center of attention subsequent to becoming famous online as an image. There is presently an unending inventory of funny images that generally get new financial backers on board absent a lot of influence. Presently, assuming that these three gatherings were to be reliable with their help for Doge, the coin could be exceptionally significant in 10 years. Everything relies upon whether more big names will continue to underwrite it, the local area stays enthusiastic, and assuming individuals will continue to share images about Dogecoin. Is Dogecoin a good long-term investment? There are various motivations to legitimize why putting resources into Dogecoin is really smart. On account of the wide assortment of exchanging destinations, trades, and online financiers all over the planet, Dogecoin is potentially one of the most famous digital forms of money to put resources into. With incredibly low expenses, you can advantageously trade Doge for cash or other digital currencies. As you definitely know, Dogecoin began as a joke to show how individuals aimlessly put resources into digital forms of money without completely grasping them. This implies that the resource, dissimilar to others like Ethereum and IOTA, has no objectives to accomplish. It doesn't have a white paper or a full-time group of engineers or a leader load up, or any essentials at all. Evidently, the organizers never anticipated that it should add up to a lot. Nonetheless, en route, the joke blew up and Dogecoin took off against many individuals' assumptions. From exchanging for a portion of $1, Dogecoin has developed to become perhaps of the most significant computerized resource. The joke Dogecoin crypto had become by over 3,200% toward the finish of last year and nearly contacted $80 billion in market capitalization when it arrived at its record-breaking high. More than Dell's, an organization with north of 160,000 workers. Things being what they are, is it a decent long-haul venture? We should separate this for you. Except you purchased Dogecoin Doge a long time back, suppose on May 4, 2016, when it was exchanging at $0.000227. In May 2021 Doge went as high as $0.7376. That is very nearly a 324,833.92% increment in only 5 years. Clearly, you wouldn't spend a negligible part of a penny to purchase crypto for long-haul speculation. In this way, we should raise the